Alex did code review for last pull requests. I think all of them now reviewed.
Okay, that's not bulk. Should we wait maybe for curry a bit?
Yeah, let's show bulk because this meeting about bulk. So
yeah, I mean, let's maybe wait for curry.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have here like all our pull requests.
Mm-hmm.
Open on this browser.
So you can start from the board to see the general status. Mm-hmm.
Oh, there's a lot of. Okay.
Okay, let's start. Kerry have not confirmed yet, so I'm not sure when he joined.
Yeah, I mean, sure. Good. What we can go by one. Here's the separation status source IP endpoint. Here is our pull request. It's related to that we can search by operation statuses, channel by statuses, based on a date and status. And yeah, with a couple of reviews. And yeah, there's like, yeah.
Regarding the reviews, we have passed through the code, and I think there are just a couple comments regarding the backward compatibility. Yep. So as soon as those fixed, we are ready to merge it. Otherwise, also it requires documentation and testing.
Yep.
And just generally, code looks good.
Only I was honestly a bit confused about this one. But yeah, that's just all last commit was not pushed or somebody just put some tests there. Okay, it was this one. We have backport for bulk in general. I guess we have one ticket for 2 pull requests. Yep, correct. There was
And
like
can you explain what is there? So what we expect to have after the ticket done?
Yeah, generally we generally expect to have asynchronous operations and bulk API in 2.2 version. So we had 2 pull requests. One was the basic implementation, not related to async or bulk. It was only changing the web API extension to have inject pull logic, so we can use the configuration files for that to define the new processors. And that was generally, as I understand correctly, you fixed the tests while I was on vacation, and generally looks fine for now, I guess. You said that there was some test failed on your side, but I don't know which one.
Yep, so this part looks good. This did not have any backward incompatible changes, and we just pulled back the logic for community edition part to the to-do-2, which is related to web API, new injection points where we can later add asynchronous logic.
Correct. And there was another pull request which generally contained all the main part for async and bulk API. And I saw a review, but I didn't go too deep with it. That looks generally not so much, but only this backward incompatible changes. But we have to find a way to change it and make it work correctly for 2.2 version without big influence on the interface.
Yep. And here, the reason why we split it in 2 pull requests, because we in to-do-2 still have message queue and asynchronous operations modules in Enterprise Edition. So that's why in to-do-2, asynchronous API will be available just in Enterprise Edition.
Yeah, correct. So that was put to EE, and the first one is to community. Good. Then it was backport. Then we have this one, I guess. Yeah, also phototopic schema defined by service name method name. That was done by Alex, and he verified it. No, wait, that's somewhere. Yeah, that's it. Was done by Alex, and there was some changes, but generally not so many. I don't see any like.
Yep. All right, couple comments. So we are waiting for these changes to be done. So generally, this issue is a bug of previous implementation, where in Magento it is a way to define the schema based on the method signature, but like there are 2 ways to define the interface for topic based on the data object, and second way is to define it based on the method signature. So method topic definition of the schema as a data object was supported. However, definition as method signature was not supported. There are just 2 different passes how to serialize objects. And yeah, this pull request fixes the issue, couple comments to address, and then it's good to go.
Yep. Correct. That was in QS, and I guess we had couple of more there. The user passes to async to reference web API user that was related that we had problems with the table of Magento operations, if I'm correct.
Yeah, so this is very discussional question, right? So there are discussion on the pull request. Still, I think we need to find out a good solution how to fix it.
Yeah, correct. Generally, I talked today to guy who did it, and he had some ideas, and he generally started to do it today before I left from my office. I guess we'll have more info on next call.
Yeah, as far as I remember, the main problem was if we use a backend user, so there are different types of users, admin user, integration user, and front-end user, right? And we want to do any mass operation, bulk operation in context of certain user. But right now there was a foreign key on one specific table on admin user. So it was just admin who was able to execute that operation. Otherwise the user will not be located. So we removed that foreign key, but now there is a discussion what will be the best way to actually add a notion of which type of users is making that request. So we can relate any mass operation to the user ID and user type and locate the user based on that.
Yep, and this idea with the column, I guess it's quite a good one. So we can just use it, and we can define the user type, and we will have appropriate ID for it.
Mm-hmm. Cool.
The question: are we displaying somewhere in the front end the user who created an operation? I mean, not on the front end, on Magento backend.
Yeah, it is displayed in the bulk API management.
Then maybe we have to extend it also, because then we can tell which type of user was created there as the request. Right, because now there, I guess, only ID.
Good question. Yes, I think right now there is an ID. So if it work, like if you leave it as is, then it will show ID, but you will not know which user ID it relates to. Yeah, good
so
question.
Maybe it would be nice to make, maybe with a new pull request, like a front end changes to display the correct user type.
Mm-hmm. For now, please make a note here, and yeah, we can create a task.
Yep. Good. Just write maybe somewhere here. Or should I maybe write it in a board? Is it better?
Yeah, we can create a task.
Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Okay. I'll do it like this, and we'll just add more description, because yeah, with the description later to make a screenshot where it's located. I don't remember how it looks like. And the last one, I guess, no, wait, there was something else. Yeah, custom role for bulk API, that we can define the, for bulk API, when we replace those URLs for put requests with, where we had the parameters, so we have not two dots, we have by and then a variable name. And for future, that's we created an implementation that we can define custom roles for those URLs, or if you make them the third-party implementation, you can also have some more nice URLs to your requests for the bulk implementation. And yep, just go through. I see like you had discussion with Pavel there. Yeah, and generally that's almost, I guess, everything is done here except like page method and a couple of descriptions.
Yeah, we had good discussion. So before Pavel created a new file which allowed to define new routes, but then we agreed that probably it would be better to reuse the existing asynchronous web API, XML. It already have a definition of the APIs which we don't want to make asynchronous. That was implemented last milestone. In this milestone, we extended file as this custom routes definition for bulk APIs. So I think it works better together.
Yep, correct. I guess that's all for the pull requests we have for now.
Okay. From our side, the goal is to accept them by the end of the month. Two of them, the backport to 2.2 of Community Edition and this custom URLs for Bulk API is very close. They, I think, ready for this week. And the rest waiting for comments to be addressed. So hopefully next week.
Correct, yep. I guess the biggest problem may appear with Bulk API backport. But yeah, we'll see. I'll go deeper on it at no time yet.
Okay. Sounds good. So I think that's it from my side as well. Misha or Alex, do you have anything to add?
No.
No, I don't think I have anything. Just sorry, I've been out of the loop for some time, but I'm very happy to see this getting backported to 2.2. I think it'll be very valuable.
Yeah, that's true. I mean, hopefully this can be done quite quickly, and then we will have it in enterprise also, the all bulk and async functionality.
Yeah.
I think one question, Misha, for you will be what version of 2.2 it should go? Like, will it be 2.2.6? That part should be planned.
Yeah, I can look into that. Release-wise, I'm not really sure what version we're working on, but I can get that answer.
Okay, thanks. Okay, great. Thanks for the demo, Alex. And yeah, let's meet in 2 weeks.
Yep, great job, guys.
Fine for me. Good.
Okay.
See you. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone.